Jai Satyam Siddhaya Namah. With the grace and blessings of Sadguru Swami Satyendra Satya Sahib Ji Maharaj, for the very first time in the world, Satyasmi Mission is organizing World Women and Men Braid Competition, in which every woman and man will get a chance to showcase their braid styles. So let's know all the procedures to participate and rules of the competition. The very first one is there is no entry fees for this competition. You all can participate in this competition without any fees. The competition will be conducted on Instagram page Satyasmi Art, as you can see on the screen. For participating in this competition, having an Instagram account is not compulsory, which means if you are not on Instagram, you can easily participate in this competition. There will be two separate categories for women and men, which will be competing within their own categories only. That is, men will participate with other men and women will participate with the other women participants. You have to click two photographs of your braid styles. In one photo, your complete braid must be visible, and in other photo, your face must be partially visible with your braid style. And for the reference, you can see the example on the screen. After that, you have to send both of these photographs on WhatsApp with your name, your city where you live or country, and Instagram account if you have, on the WhatsApp number as shown on the screen. After that, your photographs will be uploaded from our Instagram account Satyasmi Art, and your entry will be counted in the competition. Now we will move forward and know about the winning criteria of this competition. This competition is based on maximum number of likes, which means the participant, either man or woman, having maximum number of likes on his or her post will be declared as the winner of this competition, and two winners will be announced in this competition, one from each category. Let's know the rewards and prizes for the participant. Special prize, that is Satyasmi Purushkar, will be awarded to the participant of each category having the best and attractive braid style. Second, top 10 participants in each category will get Certificate of Excellence from Satyasmi Mission, and the remaining participant of each category will get Certificate of Participation. Moreover, the top 10 participants' braid styles in each category will be featured on the YouTube channel Spiritual Discovery by Swami Satyendra Ji. And here is the most important thing, that is the important dates for the competition. As you can see on the screen, the starting date and the end date. You have to send your photographs before the end date of competition. Swami Satyendra Ji Maharaj is blessing you all to take part in this competition with full enthusiasm and joy. And remember, there is no age of showcasing your hidden talent and participating in any competition. We believe you understand all the rules, procedures, winning criteria and rewards for the competition, and the same is written in the description. Kindly go through it once again if you are facing any doubt. So best of luck to everyone and participate in this iconic and the world's first braid competition. Jai Satyam Siddhaya Namah.